What's up, guys? Fantastic William back here, and I told you I would do stuff with my dad this weekend. And since we all got all the snow, we were doing the total opposite. We're actually playing with our dog and having a snowball fight. That is my dad, not my dog. That's the dog that we're playing with.
And who's the name of the dog?
That is Sadie. Sadie the dog. So, everybody spam Sadie in the comments.
Sadie Ann.
It's Sadie Ann. Snowball. Ready? Go get it!
Hey, Bubba.
Whoa. Sadie. Baby, come here. Ready? Go get it!
You need a still shot camera.
Yeah, I do need one of those. Oh, shit! He's throwing them at me. No, bad. No. I got a phone! No. He hit me in the butt. Okay, ready? Ooh.
Show it.
I am. I'm doing this with my left hand, so I can't really do it well. Oh my god! He just threw one at me and it hit the house. Okay, ready? Whoa! Thunk. My puppy dog. My puppy dog. Now, if you guys do want to see more of these videos, just let me know down in the comments, and I will for sure do more of these, because it's better than, you know, me talking in my living room doing nothing. No, you cannot say this on this channel. No.
It's a family channel.
Yes, it is a family channel. Okay. This is actually my first video with actually some action in it. So, alright guys, unfortunately that's all I can do right this minute. I will do more in a little bit. But if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And comment down below if you want to see more of these. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.